Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you if the iPhone 16e is waterproof. So first, the iPhone 16e has only water resistance rating and it has an IP68 rating, which means it can survive water up to 6 meters, which is about 20 feet, for 30 minutes. And it's also resistant to dust, rain, and splashes. But if you ask if you can swim or shower with the iPhone 16e, no, because Apple does not cover the water damage warranty. And now what you need to do is avoid swimming, showering, or submerging the device. And if the device is somehow wet, you need to dry it immediately and avoid charging for a couple of hours. So, to sum it all up, the iPhone 16e is water resistant but not waterproof. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.